So this is the final video about Rule 18 mark room, and we're going to deal with the last two parts. So 18.3 deals with tacking in the zone. And if a boat in the zone of a mark to be left to port passes head to wind from port to starboard tack and is then fetching the mark, she shall not cause a boat that has been on starboard tack since entering the zone to sail above close hauled to avoid contact. When this rule applies, 18.2 does not apply between them. So in this diagram, when yellow enters the zone at position 2, she's on opposite tacks on a beat to windward, and 18.1a says that mark room does not apply. However, when yellow passes head to wind from port to starboard tack within the zone and is then fetching the mark, 18.3 switches on. Because blue has been on starboard tack since entering the zone, and so 18.3 restricts the yellow boat from causing blue to sail above close hauled. So at position 5, the luff from yellow causes blue to sail above close hauled to keep clear, so yellow breaks 18.3. If, however, blue had come in at a higher angle and the luff had meant that blue did not have to go above close hauled, then yellow's actions would have been fine. In this diagram, yellow has entered the zone, overlapped inside blue, and is entitled to mark room. Blue passes head to wind shortly after position 2, and so Rule 18 stops applying because the boats are on opposite tacks. Blue enters the zone on starboard tack, and at position 3, blue and yellow become overlapped through yellow's tacking. Yellow must now give blue mark room because blue has become overlapped inside yellow, and Rule 18.3 is applying because blue has been on starboard tack throughout being in the zone and is fetching the mark, and yellow has passed from port to starboard tack within the zone. 18.4 deals with gybing, and when an inside overlapped right-of-way boat must gybe to mark to sail her proper course, until she jibes, she shall sail no further from the mark than needed to sail that course. Now this doesn't apply with a gate mark. So here, the two boats coming down to the mark are overlapped, and are overlapped as the first boat enters the zone. Even though the yellow is a starboard right-of-way boat, because they were overlapped, and yellow is on the inside, yellow must sail her proper course, which is to the next mark, and so must sail to the mark and jibe at the mark. She is not allowed to sail wherever she chooses, so she can't force blue to jibe and come out of the zone and sail further than she needs. As usual, there's a fact sheet that goes alongside this with all the details for Rule 18 and a quiz to check your knowledge.